Welcome! If you want to block ads in your LG K61, in a few steps I'm going to show you how to do this in a really easy way. So for the first, we are going for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and get application Opera Mini. There's the browser that we are going to use. Right now let's open this application. Click continue and then tap on the allow and continue. Click OK. And right now we have to check for the ad blocking. It is right here and it's turn it on right now. And we can enter this website, for example. We don't want to switch to the reader mode, so select no thanks. And as you can see, here we got the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when we scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads. So you don't have to get any external application, just go straight for the Opera Mini browser and you got the AdBlock built in. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.